it would be safe to say that there's no flashlight shortage in my household, as you can see. As you can see. So anyway, the latest addition is this one here, which we will go in more detail in a few seconds. Stand by. All right, here we go. Here's the box that it came in. I'm guessing that's pronounced Tunenge or Tunenge. Yes, surprise, it's made in China. But wait, there's more. The S21 Tactical EDC flashlight. Let's go over some of its features from the box and I'll show it to you in person. Type-C charging port. It has this on and off switch that you rotate, and I'll show it to you so you don't accidentally activate it in your pocket. What is that? Impact resistance? Gosh, the print is so small and I'm nearsighted. 1.5 meters. Drop resistance, whatever it's called. And it is, come on, focus. Water resistance, IP68. At its brightest, 880 lumens. And it has a magnetic base. All right, got that out of the way. Some more specs. So I know it's in the metric system, but as far as good old American, it is 4-inch in length approximately, and the width 3/4 of an inch per my ruler measurement. All right, here she is right here. It comes in 2 different colors. This is gray aluminum and the other one is green. So one thing I already really like is this protective collar for the charging port. It's also made out of aluminum, not plastic, not rubberized plastic, but the same material as the flashlight body itself. 2-way clip, as you can see. And here's that lockout switch. I don't know if I can make that focus. The lighting's hard. There's a little picture here of a padlock where it's unlocked and locked. So you rotate it, it's locked. And when you put it in the unlocked position, of course, you can turn it on. Now the tail cap, also made out of aluminum, not plastic, not rubberized, which I really like. And you can hear the defined click. And we'll go outside and show you the different brightness. That little U is actually a picture or symbol for a magnet. And let me get my ruler here. And no, it's not the world's most powerful magnet, but enough to support and hold the weight of this tactical EDC flashlight. All right, let's see. It also came with these colored caps for low light, signaling, or night usage. Yep, you guessed it. They kind of remind me of a condom, so we'll call it a flashlight condom. So like at night, inside your tent, camping, or situations like that, that is what it's for. So I haven't mentioned the cost of this thing. For what it is and how it's made, it's pretty damn well made in my opinion. Less than $20. I think I paid $15.97 or $14.97 from Amazon. All right, so we'll show you next the brightness of the different settings. Oh, you know what? Let me do this. There it is. Output in high 800 lumens, medium 350, low 200, economy 6, strobe 8 hertz, I guess. So those are the specs. Won't bore you to death by reading each one, but there you have it if you want to freeze it. All right, so we're going to pause here and show you the way it performs in the dark. We'll be right back. So my final thoughts on this flashlight. What a bargain. And it is really well made. It comes with this rechargeable battery. It's AA in size, so this can also use standard alkaline AA batteries. And here's a nice touch. If you can see that, it has a rubber O-ring. So all in all, a damn good value. And frankly, I don't care if it's made in China, as long as it's decently made and the price. You have to admit, it's unbeatable. All right, there you have it. And I hope you enjoyed this simple product review. We'll see you on the next one.